Hello everyone. Today's video is more of a time lapse, something that I figured you guys may enjoy. My garage used to be all put together, but on and off for the past 3 years, it's been a complete wreck. My Z's just been sitting outside, soaking in the sun, and I'm done with it being the way it is. So, I'm going to be making a time-lapse video of going through this entire garage, cleaning it up, and reorganizing stuff. So, hopefully you guys enjoy. So I figured before starting the time-lapse, I would let you guys see a few photos of how it looked before I started. I didn't record for the first like 3 hours, and I moved my toolboxes, and I did take away some stuff. So just here's some pictures for reference. Let's see if this one will finish it off. This is Matco, I think. Ow! Well, kind of expected that, and I don't think I can get that warranted. But, luckily, I have plenty of screwdrivers to go through. And that's still solid. All right, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me okay. That was part one of my garage cleaning. Now, you guys may not like this video. I'm not too sure. Leave it down in the comment section below what you guys think. I just know that sometimes I've weirdly watched videos where I've seen people kind of go from 0 to great, like cleaning and organizing wise. So I figured this would be kind of a fun video to kind of time lapse through. Like I said, this is part one. There's going to be a 2 and probably a 3. Obviously, this place is still a complete mess. It's horrible. But we're definitely going to get there to where this shop looks pristine and clean, and I'll feel actually happy about working in it and showing it to people. Because I hate having people come in my shop and seeing the way it is. And things have just been piling up and getting worse and worse. And I've done many days where I've tried to clean up, but it hasn't gotten there. So today was, day one of really just going through and throwing away a whole bunch of stuff. There was some filming there was some cleaning. There was actually probably about 3 hours of cleaning that I didn't record until I thought about making a video. So there was like 2 other chests or 2 other wood component cabinets over here that I took apart and threw away. Another one in the corner that you guys only saw me take one drawer and break down and throw away, but it was an entire cabinet. So yeah, stay tuned. Again, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. It's definitely uncomfortable for me to release the footage because obviously it's a complete mess and it's embarrassing. But I just figured I'd bring you guys along with this journey because I have no car video to put out this week. Yeah, as always, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share. And please make sure to like and share. YouTube's algorithm changed recently, changed a whole bunch of things up, so likes are extremely important. But yeah, all right, have a great day, guys.